depth is a concept used in nitrox diving to find the depth on air where nitrogen will exert the same partial pressure as it would at a given depth on nitrox. In simpler terms, this is the depth on air at which we will receive the same amount of nitrogen exposure as we do on our nitrox mix. Nitrox exposes the body to a lower concentration of nitrogen than air, so breathing nitrox while diving deeper will have the same effect on your body as breathing air at a shallower depth. By finding out what depth this is, we can plan our dives manually the same as we would on air using standard dive tables like the RDP. We can see here on our graph that our diver, at 25 meters, has the same NDL as our Nitrox 32 diver at 30 meters. This is an example of equivalent air depth. So how do we calculate this? Well, let's say we plan a dive to 25 meters on a blend of Nitrox 36 and want to find out our equivalent air depth. We will do so using this formula here. So the first factor we'll have to input is our depth, which we've already decided on as 25 meters. Next, we'll have to find the fraction of nitrogen, or percent nitrogen, in Nitrox 36. This can be found easily by taking our percent oxygen, 36%, and subtracting it from 100, giving us 64%, which we will input into our equation as a decimal. This will be divided by 0.79, which we should remember as the percent of nitrogen in air. The full calculation leaves us with an EAD of 18 meters, meaning that breathing nitrox at 36% oxygen at 25 meters will be the same as breathing air at 21% oxygen at 18 meters. If we wanted to take this a step further and find our no decompression limit for Nitrox 36 at 25 meters, we could have a look at our recreational dive planner to figure this out. Since we've calculated 18 meters as our equivalent air depth, we will find 18 meters at the top of the table and work our way down until we find the number highlighted in black. 56 minutes will be our no decompression limit at 25 meters while diving on Nitrox 36. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to stay tuned for more dive theory from Scuba Lounge.